morning folks, and welcome to another helping of Mr H's Hot Pot. You join me and Mrs H today just outside of Belmont, where we've come to Winter Hill to take a look at these fires that are currently burning on the moors. Now this is as close as they'll let you get to the fires. You know, the old moors have been shut off to the public, and they're currently bringing water in, shipping it in via helicopter and dropping it on the fire there. There's about 80 firefighters from Lancashire and Greater Manchester, I believe, trying to fight this fire. And as you can see over there, it's just all black. It's really destroyed about a kilometre, possibly more, of the moorland. It's really bad, isn't it, Mrs H?
It is. It's awful to see.
It is really, and all this is tying up firefighters now. They believe that this one's been done deliberately, don't they?
They do. They've arrested somebody, haven't they, recently?
They have, from Bolton, on suspicion of arson and endangering life. But this is the second one. There was one earlier this week that was raging, and they managed to get that under control, and no sooner had they dealt with that, this one flared up. It's not quite as bad as Saddleworth, but it's getting there. It's been designated a major incident. The helicopter's just coming in now, so I'll keep quiet and you can watch it come in and drop its load.
Wet that time.
Yeah.
Oh, got it that time.
Now, as you could just see there, it had a cracking aim. It got straight on top of the fire. I mean, they'll be pretty good at this, aren't they, Mrs H?
Yeah.
Now, the frequency is that helicopter's coming back and forth, I should imagine, as they're getting water out of one of the reservoirs over that way, which is going to cause a problem later on with drinking water, because they're running low, aren't they?
They are.
I think in Northern Ireland they've got an horse park ban on.
Yeah, it started on Friday, didn't it?
Yeah, and down south they're struggling for water, so it's only a matter of time before we're back in that situation where we're on an horse park ban. Don't think I've seen that since about the 80s, Mrs H. 90s, something like that. You remember it, don't you? So it's probably 90s.
It must have been 90s if I can remember it.
Yeah. And I think hottest one we had before then was 1976, when I was 2 and you wasn't even thought of, Mrs H.
Nope.
So it is bad though. I mean, if somebody else deliberately set that on, they want jailing, don't they?
They do.
Yeah, there's lots of people coming up here and taking a look, isn't there?
Yeah, having a nosy.
Because as I said, this is the closest you can get. Now, although these trees here obscure view, I think it's burning way over there as well.
Yeah, we've just seen a helicopter drop some over there, didn't we?
Yeah, but you see, it's ignited again though.
Can't see it on this camera.
No. But it started igniting again. So they're just fighting a losing battle, it seems, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But when they come over with them big tubs of water, you get sprayed as well. We've just had a little bit of it, haven't we?
Yeah.
Right, folks, we're going to head off now, and we're going to see if we can find out where this helicopter's bringing this water in from. We estimate it's not very far away from here, due to the frequency of it coming back and forth. So here we are at the nearest reservoir to where the fire's raging. So in a bit we'll see the helicopter come in, drop down, fill up and then take off. I said that the reservoir wouldn't be very far away from the fire. Well, how far would you say we are down road here? About 2 minutes, Mrs H, from
Not
where we've
even
just
that.
been stood.
And it's actually blazing there, the fire behind us.
Yeah, we've just seen some firemen get it dumped on them. Fortunately, probably cool them down as well. So we'll wait for it to come in now. And at this point here you can see just how close it is to the main road. You can hear it crackling, especially when there's no traffic. Now the only good thing about this is, as it comes close to the road here, the reservoir's only over there, so they'll just be able to bucket it straight out and throw it straight on fire. But yeah, we've been watching these fire crews, haven't we, Mrs H, to-ing and fro-ing, and they're working tirelessly here. You know, some have said they've been doing like 10-hour shifts and things like that.
Yeah, it's too hot as well in this weather.
Well, yeah, we forget that. Not only are they working in this heat from the sun, there's the heat from the fire as well, which devastated this moor, this fire.
Well, it's shifted them a long way, that, while we've just been stood here chatting to a couple of women.
Yeah.
And there were a couple of lads here earlier on saying that it started right up on the top of that hill up there last night. It's now moved down, it's here now.
I mean, there's plenty of bits of greenery about, as you can see, that's sticking there, but there's also a lot of dead stuff. You hear it every now and again, it must hit a dead patch and it blows up.
You see every now and again, like just then, a big plume of black smoke.
Yeah.
It's obviously hitting something that's not just grass.
But you've not just got this patch here, like over there, it's still smouldering. And some of these areas where these fires are, it's dense, you can't get into it on foot, so what chance of firefighters?
We have just seen something like 4x4, I don't know what to call them.
Yeah, little off-road vehicles type of thing, yeah.
It's moved over there now, it wasn't smoking there.
Yeah. It looks like, as far as they're concerned, they've got this little bit under control as such, and they're moving on elsewhere because the helicopter hasn't been back, has it, for a bit?
No. But there were, I mean, we can't see them now, there were 2 firemen stood just up there, because they're the ones that the water got dropped on before. Yeah. But they've gone. Well, I can't see them. Oh, I can actually, but you can't pick it up on camera. Just at the top of the trees.
Yeah, I can see them moving about, yeah.
You can't get it on camera. It's awful. Something I'd not thought of as well, all the animals.
Yeah, all the wild animals. I mean, I know farmers and that, they can try and get the cattle and that evacuated, but with a bit of luck, wild animals have enough sense to run away from it. Yeah, you can see it flowing there, can't you? Anyway, folks, me and Mrs H are going to head back to the old jalopy because that fire's getting pretty bloody close. And I don't fancy getting roasted, do you, Mrs H?
No, not really.
So, we'll head back to the car now and head off back into Wigan to get this edited up and uploaded. So until the next time, from myself, from Mrs H, here in Belmont it is,